Hey, hello, namaste everyone. This is me, Ekta, back again with another YouTube video. If you are one of those creatures who want to change your YouTube thumbnail of a certain video, then this video is certainly for you. Make sure you stay till the end of this video and let's get started. First of all, what you need to make sure is have your YouTube Studio application downloaded. You go into your Play Store. Since I have already downloaded it, it says me the open option. Alright, if you have not downloaded it, then type YouTube Studio and it says the download option, then get your YouTube Studio downloaded. I simply press the open option. Okay, so after your YouTube Studio is downloaded, what you need to remember is have your YouTube account signed in. For me, I have already signed in or logged in into my account. It shows me the logo of my profile or simply the logo. Now, if you have not yet, then go into your email address and just type your password. Here it shows me the available videos. I need to change the profile of the thumbnail of the second video, so I simply click into the second video. Now we have the pencil option, which is next to the share option. We click into the pencil option. After that, we again have the pencil option. We simply click into that pencil option again. After that, it says the option of download thumbnail. Alright, we can simply download thumbnail from internet, or we can simply change it with the help of our gallery. I go into change option and I have my gallery right over here. I have multiple number of photos, but I click the photo of my choice. Alright, and we have this photo for me. I like this photo, so I'm simply clicking this as my thumbnail. I saved it into gallery and now I simply press the done option. Alright, after we press into the done option, it says save option. I saved it. Now my thumbnail is changed for that video. We see that the first time we saw the video, it had the thumbnail of an aeroplane. Now it has got a different thumbnail of an electricity tower. Alright, I hope the steps are quite easy, and if this video was helpful to you, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe. This is me, Ekta, signing off. Have a very great day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now, if you want to enable your dark mode on YouTube, then please hit into the video which is right on your screen.